to drift.
That's factual.
Alright, it is almost my time to shine. I think these dudes are gonna go first. This is my first lap out, you already know. Got the temperatures over here. You already know I'm about to send it tracksuit style. No, first one out. Oh no, we got here. Could have been worse, I guess. The car is a little bit looser than I thought, so I don't have to floor it the whole time, so I'm spinning out a little bit more. But I think it should be alright. Low-key. Shit. Hope I'm not trolling my alignment here. You can come in.
That's pretty good.
This track is really difficult.
It looks like they changed it to like almost high horsepower track.
It's like, it's really hard to like feed the needle kind of. Like when you come around this way, well, first of all, I'm like messing up the transition, but then when I try to go back up in there, it feels like it's like a really small entrance.
I got a bunch of people crashing on video.
Yeah, they were crashing like every other run. All right, we got the boy in here now. I feel like my turn in isn't that great. The car wants to understeer a lot, but when I'm like actually in the drift, it's okay. Maybe it's because the entrance is really tight and the wheel to diff is like forcing some understeer. But I don't have enough balls to like feint entry, so I'm just not gonna do that. Yeah, understeer. Definitely doing something wrong.
Huh? You don't have all your power?
I do. I'm just like not drifting well. I'm trying to figure out how to like get past the understeer. Maybe I'm turning too hard in. That's the easiest corner by far. I don't know what I'm doing wrong when I'm like throwing it in. I'm like understeering it too hard.
Or you're not throwing it like that.
I'm probably not throwing it in hard enough. Maybe I'm also not like clutch kicking hard enough.
Yeah. Because the last one, you can definitely feel you almost feint entry and then you clutch kick hella hard.
Yeah. I think my understeer is the biggest problem at the moment.
You might have to borrow the transmission.
Oh yeah, true. Alright. I'm about to engage in some scenting.
Take two.
Alright. This is about to be dope. Oh, close one.
That was really good. I felt like you were giving that one.
Yeah. I need to like commit more and like have more bollocks.
Well, it is your first time in like half a year.
That one was good.
That was good.
If I keep doing that, I'm gonna actually have to like cool my tires off in a little bit.
Yeah.
I'll do a few though, with you in the car. This man's eating like the birria quesadilla. That's like what I got at World of Beer that one time.
That looks like a comfy ass chair.
Oh no. I screwed it up. No. Dirt drop. That one was kind of a rip.
Alright man, go ahead, you're good.
Alright, this time for sure.
I believe.
Nope, come on.
I saved.
First gear is probably not the move. The car isn't self-steering like as well as I wanted it to. Good drift.
I might.
A little too much. It's like off?
Yeah. It like fell off the first turn you took.
Yeah, I figured. Oh no. God damn it. Not too shabby. I just stopped spinning out at the first transition though, on the low. Don't feel like candy or something. Ripping the chat. Oh no. That one was honestly pretty good though. Ooh, close one. Be realistic. Out of revs. Oh.
That's one, yeah, you should rally this.
I'm basically doing that already.
Going now.
had that. Pepperoni.
Oh, that was a close one.
Yeah. That was pretty good.
I agree. You almost connected it.
Good one to end off. I don't really know how to do that one over there. I feel like I don't know how to like get more momentum there. My car's like running out of power. I could like force into first gear, but my gearbox sucks so bad that I'm really not trying to shift while drifting.
Yeah, let's look at stranded here.
100 people are in line. Should I just go real quick?
Good, no one's in line.
Really light. Or has a lot of high tire pressure. That guy thought. Almost.
They don't call me Ncbogg over now.
Let's go.
That was nice. That's
Nice.
yeah.
That's a good one to leave on.
I agree. It's like the golf club. It's like,
Yeah.
I'll leave on that now.
I'm probably almost out of tire now too.
True. Probably don't have to put the Wendy's on though.
Nah, I think I'm chilling. I just gotta like get over my hype and not clutch kick out when we're leaving.